Kayak seperti itu. Hello guys, bear with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about insurance. Okay, what is insurance? Most people have some kind of insurance for their car, their house, or even their life. Yet most you don't stop to think too much about what insurance is or how it works. But simply, insurance is a contract represented by a police in which a police addresses financial protection or reimbursement against loss from an insurance company. The company whose client is to make payments more affordable for the insured. The insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk of financial loss, but begin small that may result from damage to the insurance for the property or liability for damage or injury caused to a third party. Categories: insurance is a contract policy in which an insurance indemnifies benefits another against loss from specific contingency or perils. There are many types of insurance policies, level, homeowner, and auto. The most common form of insurance. The core components that make up most insurance policies are the deductible policy limit and premium. How insurance works? A multitude of different types of insurance policies is available, and virtually an individual business can find an insurance company willing to insure them. For a price, the most common types of personal insurance policies are auto, health, homeowner, and most individual in the United States have at least one of these types of insurance, and car insurance is regulated by law. Business requires special types of insurance policies that insure specific types of risk passed by a particular business. For example, a fast food restaurant needs a policy that covers damage or injury that occurs as a result of cooking with a deep fryer. An auto dealer is not subject to these types of risk, but does require coverage for damage or injury that could occur during the drive. There are also insurance policies available for very specific needs, such as kidnap and ransom, medical malpractice, and professional liability insurance, also known as error and omission insurance. Insurance policy component. When choosing a policy, it is important to understand how insurance works. Often, understanding of this concept goes a long way in helping you choose the policy that best suits your needs. For instance, life insurance might or might not be the right type of life insurance for you. The components of any type of insurance are crucial: premium, policy, limit, and deductible. Next, premium insurance. A policy premium is its price typically spent each month because the premium is determined by the insurance based on your business risk profile, which might include credit or needs. For example, if you own several expensive automobiles and have a history of regular driving, you will likely buy more for an auto policy than someone with a single major accident and a proper driving record. However, different insurance may charge different premium for similar policies, so finding the price that is right for you requires some legwork. Policy limit. The policy limit is the maximum amount that an insurer will pay under a policy for a loss. Maximum may be set per period, for loss or injury, or over the life or the policy, also known as the lifetime maximum. Legally, Hager limits carry Hager premium for grand life insurance policy. The maximum amount that the insurer will pay is referred to as the face value, which is the amount paid to benefit upon the death of the insured. Deductible. The deductible is a specific amount that the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurer pays a claim. Deductible serves as the storage volume of small and insignificant claims. The base can apply per policy or per claim depending on the insured and the type of policy. Policies with very deductibles are typically less expensive because the out-of-pocket expense generally results in favor small claims. Okay guys, this is our discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And see you next time. Ya Allah, iki lah kok iso nganu to. Masih cepat sih. Time lab lalu. Bye bye.